On a Sunday island, with a little waits for me. On a certain island, in the middle of the sea,
at the Costa del Sol,
while the riding lady
at the Costa del
waits for
Sol,
me.
the Costa del Sol. Duke of Edinburgh. Sophie Tucker. Manfred Mann. Robert Stigwood. Besame mucho.
What's on our schedule today, John?
Today we visit the man of 1,000 faces, the most famous master of makeup and disguises in all of Hollywood.
Now that's something worthwhile. I've been waiting to meet him the whole time we've been here. The makeup man, yeah.
Not even a genius will be able to help your face any.
Maybe Ringo will be able to help him. Oh, yeah? How? You could be the model for his new monster.